Hello everyone, in this short video I will explain you variable cost. Variable cost is directly linked with the amount of output or the level of output being produced. Variable costs are the costs that are directly associated with the number of goods or services a business produces. Variable cost increases and decreases with the volume of production. When a greater number of units are produced or the volume goes up, the variable cost increases. But if the volume goes down, the variable cost also goes down. For example, one of my friends owns a factory and he produces ceramic mugs. Each mug costs him $2, suppose. If he produces 1,000 units, its variable cost will be $2,000. However, if the company doesn't produce any unit, it won't have any variable cost of production. Similarly, if the company reduces the output by 800 units and now produces only 200 mugs, the variable cost will now be 2 times 200 equals to $400. The formula for calculating variable cost is number of units produced times variable cost per unit. So in this example, if you observe, the variable cost decreased with the decreased amount of production because it is directly linked with the number of units being produced. Question: is variable cost a direct cost? Not exactly. Actually, the direct cost and variable cost are quite similar in nature, as both types of costs are associated with the production, but they have some distinct differences. Variable cost can fall under the category of direct cost, but direct cost doesn't necessarily need to be variable. Direct cost is the cost or expense that can be traced in a unit of production, while the variable cost vary with the level of output. This was One Learning Minute. See you tomorrow.